Mendoza, Argentina, December 19, 2024, was hit by a hailstorm on Tuesday night, which caused significant damage to crops, some buildings and public trees. In the province of South, the stones reached the size of golf balls. Although aircraft were deployed with the anti-hail fighting system under the municipal management of San Rafael and General Alvear, the force of the rain still caused chaos.
Impresionante la caída de granizo.
With orange and yellow alerts, the Directorate of Agriculture and Climate Contingencies has warned of a storm that even arrived with great force early Wednesday in Greater Mendoza, especially in Luján de Cuyo and Maipo. In the latter department, areas such as Russell were affected by hail. And in several districts, power outages were recorded. In its first report at 7 a.m., the Civil Defense mentioned 46 incidents throughout the province related to the meteorological phenomenon. Mainly due to fallen trees, leaking houses, some houses flooded and interruptions in the electricity supply. The districts of Burials and La Colonia, in Junin, suffered damage to most of the plantations. In addition, several streets in San Martin woke up flooded with drains clogged by the large amount of water that accumulated in a matter of minutes. In Junin, the storm affected the entire department. The worst damage was recorded in the Burials area, especially in the urban area. According to the first survey carried out by the commune, except for the Medrano sector, the entire department was affected by the storm. Burials was the most affected area, especially the urban area and its surroundings, where the level of damage ranged from 70 to 80%. Also in the city of La Colonia and the plantations in the district, the damage caused was considerable, also around 80%. San Rafael and General Alvear were two of the areas hit by hail the size of golf balls or eggs on Tuesday afternoon. According to the Civil Defense in its initial report, there were 2 trees down, 1 pole down and 1 short-circuited transformer.
No se puede ir.
Despite the presence of aircraft working with the anti-hail fighting system managed by the cities of San Rafael and General Alvear, the force and size of the stones still wreaked havoc on plantations and homes. Neighbors from Valle Grande and Las Malvinas share postcards about the magnitude of the dry rains. It is worth noting that the Weather Modification and Aerotech Partnership was awarded the service concession for operations in the south. The provincial government contributed $1.8 billion to the relief fund.
Vamos.